this man. This man could still the storm on the lake with a word, and the storm in Legion's mind. Find a haul of fishes from an empty sea, and a tribute coin in a fish's mouth. Change water into wine. Nathanael's scepticism to vibrant faith, and little Zacchaeus into a giant. Restore the paralytic to walk again, and forgive his sins to follow in the way. Feed a multitude with a few loaves and fish, and satisfy the hungry soul with the word of truth and life. Make the lame to walk, and the heedless to stop in their tracks. Bring down the sinful pride of a Pharisee, and raise the weeping head of a forgiven sinner. Restore sight to the blind eye, hearing to the deaf ear, speech to the silent tongue, and open the heart to his Father's ways. Cause a fig tree to wither, and the withered hand to be restored. Cast out the unclean spirit, and bring in those who were cast out. Be touched, and stop a 12-year flow of blood. Touch, and raise from death a 12-year-old girl. Reach out, and touch a lonely leper, and the resistant heart of a Samaritan woman. Draw close the humble and repentant heart, and drive far away the self-reliant and the self-seeking. Heal the severed ear of the high priest's servant, and reveal the blackness of the high priest's heart. Cause Pilate to declare the sinlessness of the Son of God, and the sinfulness of everyone around him. Cause a dying thief to confess his sins, and find forgiveness in a sinless man. Empty self-confidence from Peter's heart, and fill the void in Thomas's. Pierce to the dividing asunder of soul and spirit, of joints and marrow, and discern the thoughts and intents of the heart. Not only speak the Father's word, but be himself the Word made flesh. Manifest the Father's love. Reveal the reality of our sin and the wonder of forgiveness. This man knows our deepest hopes and darkest fears, gave his life for our salvation, and is at work to bring us to his kingdom. This man is our Lord Jesus Christ.